Starting your new return. Importing last year's info saves you hours of typing and ensures consistency with the IRS. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. When you start a new return in TurboTax, one of the first questions will be, do you want to transfer last year's information? Say yes. You'll need to log in to or locate your prior year TurboTax return file. If you used TurboTax Online last year, it can pull the data directly. If you use the CD download version, you'll need to locate the tax data file, .tax20xx, on your computer to upload. My crucial pro tip: review the imported data, don't just accept it. Life changes. Your address, dependents, or filing status might be different. Use the import as a fantastic starting point, but go through each section to confirm and update what's new for this year. Leverage your past work to make this year easier. Do you import your prior year data, or do you start fresh each time? For more time-saving tax hacks, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.